The same spacebar system of management has also come to Array v2. So before even jumping into it, we're going to go to the opt-ins area, and for array type, we're going to make sure that this is set to 3D array. So whenever I press Q and choose array, it's actually closely following my mouse, and we are just going to add a quick array. And we can exit out and just control click array to add a second array on top of the array without even having to go in and adjust the first one. However, we can also do it inside the tool by just pressing A to just add a new array, and by rolling the wheel we're basically adding another array. So now let's say we want to go in and adjust particular aspects of this array. Well, we could press Q, go into array v2, we could press spacebar, and now we see that there's a pop-up menu allowing us to jump to which array it is that we are wanting to modify. So here we're setting up array 3, we're going back and adjusting array 2, we're now jumping back to array 1, and just like that we're able to quickly jump in and get around the arrays all on the fly. So let's press Q and go inside again, and that's not to mention that right now we're inside the dead zone circle, meaning I can press tab and bring up the dot UI, where basically by rolling through the number at the top we can actually choose which array it is that we're editing and modify this in an area where we can actually type in numerical values if we want something very particular. But just letting users know that there's now additional functionality added to array v2 in the form of the spacebar menu. So just in case you're needing to jump around your arrays very quickly, just be looking for it in your help.